Hey my love bugs, this wig is being sponsored by OMGqueen. This is their Kinky lace frontal wig. As you can see, this wig is serving all types of natural hair vibes. This wig comes with 4 inches of parting space. Now, most of you already know kinky texture is my absolute favorite texture in the world. It gives such a natural look. It feels natural. Absolutely gorgeous texture. I'll guarantee you it is going to fool everybody. So this is pretty much what the texture is looking like straight out the pack. I have not added any type of heat, no blow drying, no flat iron, nothing like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how beautiful this hair is in a ponytail. I have several videos already where I show you guys how to get this hair straighter, how to put it up in a bun, how to get just a very natural look. When it comes to securing my units down, I prefer to use bobby pins or the elastic band. I don't really care to use glue just because it damages my hairline. So I'm going to use bobby pins to secure the sides down just because that's kind of hard to keep down. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a little ball so that it's out the way before I get ready to tie the scarf around my head. Now, tying the scarf around your wig is just going to make sure the wig stay in place while you are smoothing out the hair to get a very flat, natural, seamless ponytail. Now, because this ponytail is pretty low, I can tie my ponytail as tight as I want it to be, and I don't have to worry about the lace or the wig lifting. And this is, girl, Natuarl. Okay. Yes, can you find the lace, please? Girl, stop playing. Stop playing with me. I'm telling y'all, this kinky texture ain't nothing to play with. You better get your life. So my next ponytail look is going to be a side ponytail. Now, because I do want my ponytail to be a little bit more sleek, I am going to apply the hot comb just to smooth out the hair. And as you can see, this hair is so freaking full, y'all. It's crazy, but this is the look you're going to get with any type of kinky wig, but I would suggest you do not go over 180 density unless you want your wig to be super duper full, but this is a lot of hair, so really the 150 texture will be really, really good for you. So I'm just going to smooth out the hair and repeat the same process as before. Even though this wig is super full and thick, when you put this hair in a ponytail, it is really flat. Like, you honestly cannot tell that you have on a wig because it's not lumpy at all. Just take a moment and look and see how flat this wig is in the back. It literally looks like my natural hair blown out. Now, I'm going to be honest, when you get your kinky texture wig in the mail, you probably going to have to do some plucking to the hairline, and you're going to get a lot of hair just because this texture is so freaking thick and full. If you guys want me to do like a dedicated video where I only pluck the frontal of a kinky wig, thumbs up this video or let me know in the comment section, because it will make a huge difference on how natural this kinky wig looks on your head. So with this look, I'm going to do my favorite look, which is a half up, half down. And I'm so happy that this wig comes with 4 inches of parting space, whether you part your hair on the side or in the middle, which makes it perfect for this style. So because this hair is thick in texture, I am going to use a hot comb to press out the hair just to get it a little bit more smoother. And to tame any type of flyaways or to make the hair more slicker, I am going to use a little bit of wax stick, but don't use a whole lot because it'll make the hair greasy. So another half up, half down look that I love to do with this texture because it's so full and it's so thick is adding a bun on top of my head. Simply because my bun is going to be full and thick compared to if I was to go with like a silky straight look, the bun wouldn't be as full and thick. So when it comes to my bun, as you can see, I'm just really playing around with it. I'm pulling here, I'm tucking there, just until I get the actual look of the bun that I'm going for. Now, I don't want my bun to be neat or anything like that, so I do kind of want it to, in a way, look messy, but neat too, if that makes sense. So this is pretty much how I do the bun. Then I take a couple of bobby pins and I just secure it down to make sure it doesn't fall. And I'm not really going to focus too much on straightening the parts that is down. I'm just going to try to smooth out the top so that it lays flat. And the look has been served. All purchasing information will be below. Make sure you take advantage of those coupon codes, and I hope you guys get an opportunity to try this beautiful natural kinky wig. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You will love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.